Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we will see how to uh, send the data from the one EBS storage to another. I mean, like in the previous tutorial we have seen how to attach one EBS storage to one EC2 instance and how to mount that particular EBS storage and how to add the data. So like just now what I have done, I have created one tutorial in which I have shown like how to attach the same EBS instance to another EC2 instance, but the thing is that I forgot to connect my microphone, so all the tutorial is wasted. So let's just forget this EBS demo 2 instance. I created this EBS demo 2 instance for that tutorial, but that tutorial is wasted. So I will do one thing. I will create one more EC2 instance, but make sure that whenever you are creating EC2 instance or EBS instance and all, make sure all of them lies in same this availability zone. Okay, so I have preferred to make use of the AP South one. So now what I'll do, I will create one more EC2 instance and I will give the name as the EBS demo 3. Just forget this EBS demo 2 now. So I will give the name as EBS demo 3, EBS demo 3, and I'll come down below. I'll select the Ubuntu over here, and I'll select the key value pair as the ECS key pair over here. I'll click on the network setting, subnet. Okay, so if I forgot this thing, mm, AP South 1B, I have to select AP South 1B instance over here. So make sure you're selecting the AP South 1B over here. And if you want to create the security rules, you can create them. I don't want to do that as of now, and I'll click on the launch instance. And in the previous tutorial, I have attached that particular EBS instance to the this particular EC2 instance, which is EBS demo 1, and I have added two files over there. Okay, so now what I will do, I will open this particular instance right now, EBS demo 3. Let me just refresh. It is getting ready. So by that time, what I can do, I can just go to my volumes over here, and inside of the volumes, 0FFD, this was that particular 3 GB EBS instance which was created by me. I'll click on attach. Let me just first stop, I mean force detach it. I will just say detach. Okay, so it has been detached successfully. I'll click on action. Let me just refresh. I'll say attach the volume, and I will select the EBS demo 3 instance over here. Device name, just whatever is available, just give that device name. Click on the attach volume. Already in use. Okay, so I'll select something else. Okay, so now this has been done. So now let me just refresh and see. So EBS demo 3 is running now. I'll click on it. I'll say connect. I'll come down below and I will connect via browser only. So this is going to be very simple. Let me see. So as of now it is establishing the connection with that EC2 instance which was created by me just now. Let me clear the console first. I will say lsblk, and this is that 3 GB storage disk which is assigned, which is attached by me. So now I will say sudo file -yes there /xvdi. Okay, so this is the name which you have to give over here, name of the same EBS block. So now you are seeing this particular string, the long string, that means some data is there inside of it. Okay, now what I will do, I will create one directory. I'll say make dir data name. I'll give the name as data. Okay, so I have to give the sudo. It is creating the permission issues. Then I will make use of the mount. Mount is basically just like attaching the pen drive. So I will say dev forward slash xvdi, name of the storage, EBS storage we will give over here. And after that, forward slash data, name of this folder what we have created. Okay, what just happened? Okay, so we have to again run that command with sudo over here. So now this has been done. So I'll say cd data. It is not happening. So let me just do one thing. I'll say sudo su super user command I will run. Then I will say cd forward slash, and after that I will say ls. I want to see all the directories. So over here I am seeing the folder named as data. Okay, folder named as data. So I say cd data, and then I will say ls. So now if you see demo.txt and xiron.txt. So these are the two files which I have put inside of the this particular instance. Okay, EBS demo 1, but now I'm able to see those files over here inside of the EBS demo 3. This is because I have attached that EBS volume to the this instance of the EBS hyphen demo 3, so that's why I'm able to access the data over here. So this is how you can share the data between the instances, and this is how you can just proceed further. Okay, so that's all guys, thanks for watching. So this is how we can share the data between the instances and access the files. Thanks for watching, and do check out my other tutorials as well. I'll be creating more such tutorials on the AWS.